everyone, it's Miss Sam from the Levittown Public Library, and I'm here to show you how to do this amazing apple craft that you just picked up. And then we have a fun story that we'll also read with it and a little finger play. So first let's start with our craft. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take all the pieces out of the pack that you just picked up, and you're going to look for the one that looks like an apple core like this. This is going to be our base. We're going to build everything on top of this. So the first thing that you're going to want to do before we even start building is we're just going to lay the pieces out to make sure that we see exactly which way the leaf is going to lay and which way our stem is going to lay. Because if we peel it first, sometimes we might do it upside down or backwards. So that's the very first thing that we want to do. Then once we figure that out, we're going to start with this piece and we're going to take the backing off of our apple core. So now you'll feel that you'll have a sticky side and a not sticky side, and the sticky side is where we're going to build all of our stuff. So once we have that, we're going to take our popsicle sticks and we're going to lay them right in the middle here. That's going to represent our core. So kind of just like this, and we're going to lay 1, 2, 3 right next to each other. All right, so I have my 3 popsicle sticks right in the middle. Now, once I have that, now I'm going to do my stem and my leaf. So again, I'm gonna just double check which way my stem is gonna go before I peel the sticky off the back. And then I'm gonna stick it right to where it goes. And you'll kind of follow the white part there. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing with my leaf. And I'm going to stick it right on that top part there where the leaf goes. So just like that. Okay. So now you'll either have gotten a green apple or you'll have gotten a red apple. So we're going to take those pieces, and the smaller piece is going to go on the bottom, and then the bigger piece is going to go on the top. So again, we're just going to peel off the white sticky part on the back, just like this. And I'm going to stick the smaller piece on the bottom, and the larger piece again, I'm going to take this white part off the bottom, off the back, so that we have our sticky part. And this time I'm going to put it right on the top, right there. Okay, so now I have my apple with my core. And now in the middle of the core we have these 3 little seeds. So it looks like this. So you're going to have to first punch out each seed like this. And then you're going to have to take the sticky part off the back. So now we have our sticky parts on our seed. And now this is where you get to kind of decorate. You can put them wherever you'd like on your popsicle sticks there. So you have 3 of them. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 3. So just like that. So now I have my seeds in my core. Now the very last part of our decoration that we're going to add is our cute little worm guy. Now you can put him on the bottom, you can put him on the top, wherever you would like your little wormy guy to sit. So if you'll notice, he does not have a sticky part on his back, so we need to add something to help him stick. So that's where you'll have a little white dot in your kit as well. So you're going to peel off both sides of this one, so you'll have both sides will be sticky. So I'm going to take my dot and I'm going to add it to him. And now I still have a sticky side on that dot, and then wherever I decide I want to put him, I'm going to stick him onto my apple. So now I have my little guy with my little apple and my little core. And now the only thing we need to add is on the back, we can make this a magnet. So again, you'll see you'll have a white strip here. If we pull off both of the sides, it'll make it so that both sides are sticky. So now once I have that, I can take it right in the middle of my craft on the back and stick it there. So now it's sticky here on that side too. And I'm going to take my magnet and I'm going to stick it right to that. So now I have a fun little apple core magnet. So that is how we create our craft. Okay, so now that we've created our really fun apple craft, I thought it would be really cool if we also read a very fun story with apples in it. So we're going to read today The Hungry Bunny by Claudia Ruda, and it is read by permission with Chronicle Books. So I'm going to need your help with this story because this poor bunny is really hungry and he wants some apples. So we're going to help him get some apples. So here I come. Can you hear my tummy rumble? I'm one hungry bunny. It's time for a red, delicious, and hard to reach apple. Oh, you can't quite reach them. Maybe you could help. Could you please shake the book so that the apples fall down? Can you guys help me shake? Okay, let's shake the book. Let's see if we got some apples to fall. Not the leaves. Could you blow them away? Okay, everyone help me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! That's much better. Thank you. Oh no, my scarf has blown away too. It's stuck in the book and I'm still hungry. Oh no, we'll have to help him with his scarf. Look, here it is. Could you help me grab my scarf? Ooh, let's help him grab it. Can you reach up and grab it for him? Will you place the scarf here so I can hold it tight? I can use it to climb the tree and pick up those tasty apples. So let's pull up his scarf and let's put it right here for him so he can use it to get those apples. Just one more. Oh, he's getting all of the apples. Great teamwork. I got them all. Can you hang on to that scarf for me? Okay, we'll hang on to his scarf for him. Whoops, I'm running late. What an uphill battle. He's got a big hill he's got to climb with all those heavy apples. Wait a minute. Why am I going uphill? We can fix that. Can you tilt the book for me? All right, let's tilt it so now he'll go downhill instead of uphill. Easy as pie. Now my wheels are turning. Now he's riding down the hill. Why don't we have even more fun? Would you rock the book back and forth? Can you guys help me hold and we'll rock the book back and forth. Wowie, keep going and get ready to... What do you think he's going to do next? Turn! Let's turn the book all the way around. Turn, turn, turn. Uh-oh, get ready to tumble. Oops, I guess I upset the apple cart. Where are all the apples? Oh no, where'd they all go? Here they are. I'll just pick these up. Let's help him pick up all the apples and put them back in the cart. On the road again. But what's this? Uh-oh, how is he gonna get over that big space? We gotta help him. Hey, I think I'm gonna need some help. Can you use my scarf to make a bridge? Oh, let's get his scarf and we'll go down and across, making a nice fun bridge for him. That should help him get across. Perfect, thank you. I'm at the end of my rope. Good thing I'm almost home. Oh, there's his home. I'm stuck. Would you give me a little push, please? Can you guys give him help and give him a little push? Push. Ugh. Let's see if that helped. Pop. Right on time for Mom's apple pie. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Not a bad apple in the bunch. Yum. We saved a piece for you. Excellent. And now the very last thing I have for us is a fun finger play that we can all do together. So first I'll read it and then we'll make the motions together. So it says, look at my apple, it's nice and round. We'll make a ball with our hands. It fell from the tree to the ground, all the way down. Come and share my apple with me, please do. My mother will cut it right in two. Make a little cut. Half for me and half for you. Here you go. Okay, let's do it one more time all together. Ready? Look at my apple, it's nice and round. It fell from the tree down to the ground. Come share my apple with me, please do. Come. My mother will cut it right in two. Half for me and half for you. Great job, everyone. I hope you had a lot of fun making our fun apple crafts and reading our fun Hungry Bunny book and our fun apple play. Have a great day.